Hey guys, so it's January 3 today and it's 3:49. We're going to the beach because it's hot today. So this is my outfit. Shirt is from Zara. My cup is from Ralph Lauren. My jeans is thrifted. And I just wear my Birkenstock. So yeah, that's basically it. So we're now heading. Bye!
May nag may nag-brunch sa amin kahapon.
Hey guys, so we're now walking to a perfect spot here in Sandringham Beach. It's so nice here. I mean, I don't know. They said napaka-nice nga area there.
Wala, ang ganda. Ganito palang oras yung perfect Kenneth eh.
View is so nice. It's such a good beach. Look. How beautiful is that? People are here because it's like 33 degrees today and then ang mga people there kalera sila basta mag-init na gina sila sa beach niyo makikita. So I'm just here sunbathing because I'm not gonna dip in the ocean. Charis. Naraw din nagpainit. Hindi na ako gana mag-ato sa ocean. I mean, hindi na ako mag-ato sa dagat. Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm back. I'm so sorry if I'm MIA for a few months because wala gikapoy lang jud ko mag-vlog. Like I feel like I'm exhausted and then during Christmas it was so busy so work and then so that I don't have enough time to edit. So today is what time? Like 5 in the afternoon now, and we're going to the city because moadto ta og moomba festival. So it's just like birya siya in short, more like yeah. So, hey guys, so we're now at Angry Jack. Basically, Angry Jack is like Burger King sa Philippines. So we just nag-call lang me before we head to the festival because I'm pretty sure gutom nun yung pagkabutin to like after rides or so. So we're just gonna wait for our friend, si Jezreel, because she just finished her work kaya bago pa sa siya na mag-work from like 6:30 and it's currently 7:28. Like nagpili siya. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hello guys, so it's currently 10 now. We just made our dinner. So this is the adobo, chicken adobo guys. Smells good. And then we got some rice. Good morning guys. So it's currently 7:30 in the morning and we're now going to our school because we have uni today. So today we have a concert to attend, Niki concert, which is, to be honest, I think I can only sing, wait, I think two songs lang akong libuan sa iya, which is every low key or every summertime. Yeah, wish me luck later. Also guys, it's currently 18 degrees. Find it okay lang. Di siya tugnaw, di siya init. So that's why I'm wearing sleeveless today. Hello guys, we're back. I'm just doing my assessment because I have assessment due. So we just finished uni. So I just head straight here because I need to finish this one before gala later. So the concert start at 7, but it's still at 3:30 today. I still got time to kill, so I'm just gonna finish this one. Actually, I'm nearly done, and then I'm just gonna walk around. And then I kind of like low key hate my outfit, but I don't care. I don't care, guys. Yeah. Hello guys, we're here in, I don't know what's lane is this, but we're here with my matcha. So little rogue mata yung ngalan sa shop, sa cafe, which is very famous for their matcha, and I must say it is a good one. It is a good one. It's not the best, but it's a good matcha. So I'm just gonna quickly show you my outfit. So my top is from H&M. My jumper is from Cotton On. My jeans from Uniqlo. And my shoes is from Adidas Sporty and Rich collection. Quick confession, guys. Sa concert ni Nikki, I think I only knew two songs, which is Loki o Every Summertime. And the rest, I don't know. I don't even know on say set list. Okay pa ba ta? Ina naman gud ko nga magbayad na daw ko kay nag-apila na ko palit og ticket. Sakto ba? When you go on, or you just